Hi, my name is Jojo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Introducing Visual Clean X, the ultimate solution for crystal clear hearing. In a world where clarity matters more than ever, there's no room for compromise when it comes to your auditory well-being. Say goodbye to the discomfort and inconvenience of stubborn earwax buildup with the revolutionary Visual Clean X. We understand the importance of pristine hearing and have designed a cutting-edge solution that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to bring you a truly unparalleled ear care experience. Visual Clean X offers a simple yet highly effective way to safely and gently remove excess earwax, allowing you to reclaim the crystal clear hearing you deserve. Featuring a state-of-the-art built-in camera, this innovative device provides you with a real-time, high-definition visual feed of your ear canal. With its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls, you can easily navigate and guide the cleaner with precision, ensuring a safe and comfortable cleaning process. Do you want to earn an extra income from the comfort of your home? Just visit tryhomebase.com for more info. Visual Clean X key features: high-definition visual feed. Our advanced camera technology allows you to see exactly what's happening inside your ear canal in stunning detail, providing a clear view of the earwax removal process. Gentle and safe cleaning. Visual Clean X Earwax Cleaner is designed to be gentle on your ears, avoiding any discomfort or damage. It's soft. Silicone tips ensure a safe and non-irritating experience. Easy-to-use controls. The device is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring intuitive controls that make it easy for anyone to operate. Rechargeable and portable, with a long-lasting battery and compact design. You can take Visual Clean X with you wherever you go, ensuring your ears stay clean and healthy. Hygienic and easy to clean. The detachable tips are easy to clean and replace, ensuring a hygienic ear care routine. Don't let earwax impede your hearing or cause discomfort any longer. Experience the future of ear care with Visual Clean X, the ultimate solution for maintaining pristine auditory health. Say hello to clearer hearing, improved comfort, and enhanced well-being. It's time to rediscover the world of sound with Visual Clean X. Thank you for watching.